wengi kwa sababu majina yao hayako mahali pale.
To matters education now, and the university's academic staff union industrial action, which resumed on 29th October, has disrupted learning and operations across public universities, with students idling on campuses on weeks. In the dispute, UASU is demanding full implementation of the 2021-2025 collective bargaining agreement, a deal the union struck with the Interpublic Universities Council Consultative Forum in September. As the government explores ways to break the stalemate, UASU was taken to the streets to agitate for their grievances to be addressed in a timely manner. Let's now cross over and listen in to what the Dons are saying.
What the management deducted from their payslip for the last 7 years, which we tabulated, and it totals to 8.7 billion. That is what we want the government to pay them. It is not something new. That is their money. And now when you give them show cause letters, what do they want? Do you want them to reply? They will just tell you they want their money. And will respond like that. Show cause why disciplinary action should not be taken against you. Disciplinary action should not be taken against me because you have not paid me what you deducted for my pay slip. Yeah? That's the reason. And they will respond like that. Give them what is due to them, then they will go and teach. And don't ask them why disciplinary action should not be taken against them while you know you have not remitted their money.
Yeah, but with your fresh demand, sir, that the government must remit all the 8.6 billion shillings that the university lecturers in Moi University want, the government already says that they do not have that money to remit. They only have paid the lecturers September salary and they want them to go back to class. Is that something that you're willing to negotiate around?
Do this. The terms of that, when I issued a strike notice, we were very clear. We were not demanding for basic salary or gross salary. We were demanding for everything. So by paying them their salary, they think they have sorted out the problem. Let them sort the problems. And they also promised to change the management. So which management are we going to negotiate with? Which management? Which management? Thank you very much.
Well, so that's it from the Nairobi University graduation ground.
Those are live images, the statement from the Dons who are on strike, telling the government that it is